Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaylee. You can call me Kay. I am a variety content creator, mainly on Twitch, but I also create some content sometimes on YouTube from time to time. Today I'm going to be talking about Twitch's new stories feature. I got requested to talk and make a video on this new feature that Twitch just released that is basically Twitch stories, kind of like how Instagram does it, but now it's on Twitch instead. So if you're here to learn about this new feature, I'm going to be showing you everything that you need to know about Twitch stories. So if you're familiar with Instagram stories, it's literally essentially the same exact thing, except you can't add music to your stories, you can't add polls to your story, and you can't mention anyone in your stories. The way that it works is that you can either A, post a picture that you take right now, or you can post a picture from your gallery that you took earlier or another day prior, whatever. You're able to send this story to your subscribers, or you can just send it to your story. I believe there's no explanation, but I believe when you send it to your story, it sends it to people who follow you. What I thought sending it to your story would do is that it would put you on like this story feed page that like a lot of other people can also see your story, not including your followers and your subscribers, and kind of like a discoverability kind of feature that would add into it. But I don't think that's how it works. I think it's just people who follow you that it shows to. So with this feature, you can only post on your story on Twitch if you've streamed in the last 48 hours. The stories last for about 48 hours as well. And you can use this as a tool to engage with your audience and also let them know that you're going live in the next couple hours or are currently live. One thing that I really wish this feature had is adding polls to your posts, or like music to your posts, or mentioning, like if you're doing like a co-stream with a friend of yours, you can like mention them on the story so people can also check them out. And right now you can only react to people's stories with 5 different reactions, I believe it is, and it's just Twitch emojis like bleed purple or like the fire emoji or whatever. You don't have like iPhone emojis that you can react to it with. You can't use anything else, I believe, but you can add your own Twitch emotes onto the story if you want to do that. So with this feature, you want to make sure that the notification setting is turned on your iPhone. To do that, you just want to navigate to your settings and then scroll up to the top and type in Twitch till you find the Twitch app. Open up the notifications tab and then scroll down to the bottom and press all Twitch notification settings. This will lead you to your Twitch app. So once you get to the all Twitch notification settings, it's going to open up your Twitch app. So on the screen, you have 3 different options you can choose from. You can choose from your all mobile notifications, by email notifications, or by channel notifications. If you press per channel, you can actually mass turn on or turn off notifications here by all the different channels that you're following instead of having to individually do it one by one. I found this today and I thought it was really cool. I did not know that Twitch had this feature. So if you've been wanting to turn off notifications for certain streamers that you don't really watch anymore, or just don't want notifications for in general, you can turn them all off here. Once you're there, you're going to want to go back to the tab that you were just on and press mobile. You're going to scroll down to where it says stories, where it says when someone you follow shares a story, and you want to make sure that setting is enabled. You can also turn on story reactions too if you're a creator and you want to see when you get reactions to your stories. But if you want to get notified when someone you follow posts a story, make sure you have that setting on, and you should be getting notifications after that. And that's it. I really think this feature is super cool, and I'm really excited that Twitch finally implemented this into their mobile app. I think it's awesome. A lot of people don't really like it because they just feel like it's Instagram. A lot of people don't use Instagram, so I think it's a really cool feature to kind of broaden your reach to your audience or your community. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.